Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a famous homeopathic physician of India, Dr. P. Sankaran. His son, Dr. Rajan Sankaran, is also famous for his sensation method and the Other Song Academy at Mumbai. Dr. P. Sankaran was an allopathic physician. He was practicing modern medicine in 1940s. In 1945, he fell ill. He started getting evening rise of temperature, he started losing weight, he started feeling lethargic, right? All kinds of investigations were done at that time. All the modern pathological investigation, stool sample, urine sample, radiograph, everything were done, but they still couldn't diagnose him. Based on the clinical picture, they thought it was malaria and they started treatment with quinacrine. But that didn't help him. His body started turning yellow. So they thought it was some hidden infection. So he was started on sulfur drugs that produced severe vertigo, so they had to stop the sulfur drugs. Then they suspect it was amoebiasis and started emitting, which gave temporary relief. Then lastly they suspected it was an incipient case of tuberculosis. And in 1945 there was not much treatment in India for tuberculosis. Streptomycin was just introduced to the world, so there was still time for it to come in India. The only form of treatment that Dr. P. Sankaran was advised is to go in a place for a cleaner air, isolation and proper nutrition. Dr. P. Sankaran was fed up of the current line of treatment and the investigations, right? So in that desperation he thought of homeopathy. He was not much of a fan of homeopathy. He considered homeopathy as a medical fad. But sometimes this fad can do the trick where the modern medicine fails. So he went to one of the homeopathic physician in his locality. That physician was an allopathic physician first, then he got converted into homeopathy. The homeopathic physician asked him to write down all his symptoms on a piece of paper and come to visit him. Dr. Sankaran did. He wrote down all his symptoms and he came to visit him. Dr. P. Sankaran was thinking that this homeopathic physician has neither examined me physically nor has he read all of my investigations. He was just looking on the piece of paper that Dr. P. Sankaran has wrote all the symptoms, and he was referring to his own book, and he asked a few questions, and after that he prescribed a remedy. Dr. P. Sankaran was annoyed at this point. He thought to himself, how can it be possible that my symptoms and my medicine was already written in a book that the homeopathic physician was referring to. Homeopathic physician prescribed the remedy and specifically instructed Dr. Sankaran to take only one dose of the medicine. Dr. Sankaran thought to himself, how can one dose help him? And the homeopathic physician asked Dr. Sankaran to come back after 15 days. But because everything else was failing Dr. P. Sankaran, he thought of going ahead with homeopathy. He prepared himself, he went to a pharmacy nearby and he thought to himself, he ordered the medicine. He thought to himself that if this action of this medicine is for 15 days, the one dose of this medicine acts for 15 days, then it must be expensive, right? The pharmacist gave him the medicine and he asked for only 1 anna, that is 1 penny. And Dr. P. Sankaran was shocked, and after listening to that, all the little faith that Dr. Sankaran had in his heart evaporated away. How can a medicine so cheap and that too a single dose can help me come out of this illness? But still he went ahead with it and took the medicine. Within 3 days of taking medicine, P. Sankaran was shocked to see the beneficiary effects of the homeopathic medicine. The fever and the fatigue disappeared completely. He quickly regained his original weight within few days after the remedy, and he started working again as he used to. Dr. P. Sankaran was amazed at what just happened to him, right? And that is what piqued his interest in homeopathy. He himself started reading every books about homeopathy after that, and after a period of time, he himself became a homeopath.